Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. This is video number, what video number are we on? This is video number 6 in our special series for November, the I'm Feeling Thankful for 30 different features of the Tesla. Today's video is inspired by and dedicated to a woman I have never met named Kayla Kent. I do not know where Kayla Kent lives, but she posted on the Tesla Model X Owners Club Facebook group about 2 or 3 days ago about the Tesla mobile service, and that is the feature that we're going to be talking about today. And I think that Kayla's Facebook post is a perfect introduction to the wonderful feature known as Tesla mobile service. So I'm just going to read her eloquent and perfectly written Facebook post word for word. Positive experience post, starts Kayla Kent, because no one ever posts about how happy they are, which is true, except Kayla. We've owned a Model 3 since May 2018 and a Model X for about 2 months. We bought the X used and knew a few things could use repair, so scheduled a mobile service visit as soon as the ownership got transferred and we could use the app, which took about a month. The mobile service tech just left and fixed our loose front fender, jammed center console, and button on rear Falcon door that wasn't working. He ran diagnostics for me too. He did all of this in my driveway while I was inside with my 2 kids, all under warranty. What other car company fixes your car in your own driveway? He was quick, kind, and super knowledgeable. He worked for another large, expensive car company for almost his entire career and said that Teslas are just better cars. He talked about it, I asked, and he loved his job. Just over here in my pajamas, loving Tesla. Let me just put my notes down for a second. Bravo, Kayla. Very, very amazing Facebook post. I liked it instantly, and I'm going to send you a link to this video. I hope you will watch and subscribe to TesLUCKY. I just couldn't agree with her more. I think that the Tesla service feature is just the greatest thing since sliced bread. It is so much more convenient to have Tesla come to you at your home or at your place of work or whatever reasonable address you give them, and they will fix your car, almost anything that's wrong with your car, almost anything. 80% of repairs, Tesla says, can be done with the mobile repair service. So much better than having to take time out of your schedule to drive to them, check the car in, get a rental, deal with all of that jazz. Like, no thanks. Like, unless you have to. So when I first got my Model X used as well, I had an experience that led to a mobile service visit to our house back in Fort Lauderdale before we moved. The little like chrome piece, I don't know if that's the right word, chrome, it's like plastic, looks like metal, on the windshield by where the driver side window goes up and down, you know, that fell off. And then it was loose and it was affecting the window, you know, minor thing. But they, I scheduled a service appointment to take Lucky in to the Tesla service center. I got a text from Tesla. They said, text me the picture. This can be done via mobile service. And they came out to the house and did it. And I had, just like Kayla, I had a very positive experience. And actually, they said I didn't even need to be there. That I, you know, with the app and everything, I mean, I could have just communicated with them and let them right into the vehicle. So amazing, easy peasy. I did think it was a little bit odd, I will say, that the Tesla mobile service guy showed up in a Ford. And you'll see, I'm going to post some pictures here, or include some pictures in this video. It was decked out like red and white. I mean, white with red logo, Tesla logo and letters. And it was like Tesla branding all the way. And then in the very front was that blue, like Ford oval. I just thought that was weird. I had to call the guy out on it. And he's like, yeah, I know. It's a little bit embarrassing that I've got to like pump gas into this vehicle to get around town and make the repairs. But he said that Tesla was looking at potentially getting Model X's into the mobile service vehicle fleet. And I did do some research on this topic and have seen that there are some returned lease vehicles, both Model X's and Model S's, even though I think the S is a little bit small to get all that equipment in, but that have been repurposed, and they're using those in the Tesla mobile service fleet. So hopefully the percentage of Teslas in the mobile service fleet will continue to increase. So from my notes here, I also wanted to mention that the mobile service, let me read you actually what's on the Tesla website. I'm going to put this on the screen right now. But the Tesla like mission statement, if you will, as it relates to mobile service is, our objective is that you enjoy every minute with your Tesla and will not have to worry about anything else. If your service need can be met by a mobile technician, we will offer our mobile service option at no charge. Should have mentioned that earlier, no charge, based on availability. Our growing mobile service coverage means that in most instances, we can come to you when and where you need it. And it does say here that 80% of repairs can be done outside the service center. And that also includes collision work. Some body shop type work is included in the mobile service feature. The website for Tesla lists paint scruffs, scratches, minor dents can be done via mobile service, and some type of bolt-on replacements like bumpers, fender doors, and side mirrors. Now, I really wish that Lucky could have been serviced via mobile service so that we wouldn't be missing her so much right now while she's in the body shop following our recent collision. But the work needed to be done on Lucky was just a little bit too extensive for mobile service. So, okay, so the only other thing I want to mention is that in searching YouTube, I found some really great videos from some YouTube channels that I subscribe to, some other Tesla channels that I really admire that are putting out really good content, and I'm going to put 2 or 3 links in the description if you want to see and learn more about mobile service. I suggest you watch these great videos, and I also hope that you will come back tomorrow for the next video in our I'm Feeling Thankful series for the month of November. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels to everyone. Bye-bye.